If you're preparing for PSR optional on your own, then this is the book list for your paper 1. So paper 1 part A is political theory and political thought. For this paper, please start with O.P. Gauba, an introduction to political theory. This is a very great book. It covers all the basic concepts. इसके अलावा you can use IGNOU notes MPSC 003 and MPSC 004 for Indian political thought and Western political thought. After this, you can do some value addition from this book by Subrata Mukherjee and Sushila Ramaswamy. You don't need to read this book cover to cover, only use it as a value added material. For your paper 1 part B, that is Indian government and politics, please complete your class 11th NCERT, that is our constitution at work, and then move to Subhash Kashyap chapter 2 to chapter 7. Then use Oxford Companion to Politics in India, a great book for this paper. And thereafter you can use India's Struggle for Independence by Bipin Chandra. But that book is not to be read cover to cover. Only read the introduction and the conclusion, and that will be very good for your answer writing. Beyond this, you have to be very aware of current happenings and tag it to your syllabus. Now, what we do in our courses, we give you comprehensive notes based on all of this material and much more in terms of value addition. So if you want to check our comprehensive course for PSIR optional, which I will be taking from 15th of April, then log in to courses.upscprep.com. All the best.